Yeah, yeah, Shubham. Shall we
Yeah,
start?
yeah, sure.
Your voice is low. Can you? Wait,
Sorry,
no, it is low.
my voice is low. Hello.
No,
Now
it
it
is
is
coming.
okay.
So yeah,
Yeah,
no, it is
yeah,
okay. So okay.
yeah, yeah.
So
So
yeah,
yeah, okay. So I will start myself. So hi, my name is Shubham. I had like 3.5 years of experience in IT, working as a data engineer since Feb 2020. So my skill set is on Hadoop and AWS technologies. I have good knowledge on Hadoop infrastructure using Hive, Scoop, Scala, Spark SQL, and Cron as a scheduler. I had good knowledge on like Python libraries like PySpark and Auto3 as well. On AWS side, I have worked on various services like S3, Glue, Lambda, Athena, RDS, Postgres. These are. So my job role has been on processing batch data, creating data pipelines, read data from multiple sources, processing them and ingesting into different targets for success for a structured and semi-structured file. Yeah. So these are all about me. Thanks.
okay, okay. So on which technology and tools you are using in your daily basis?
On daily basis, I have worked on like a PySpark and my current project, PySpark and AWS technology I have worked on in the current scenario. And in the previous my project, I have worked on on-premises, which is around Hadoop totally. So both are like Scala and as well as PySpark I have worked on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So shall we start with Python? You know Python?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, 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 yes.
Okay,
Sure.
okay. So can you tell me Python is a interpreter language or a compiler language?
Python is like a interpreter language.
Okay, okay, okay. So is there any reason behind that?
Mm. Yeah. So it's like a basically it's like a treats and execute commands interactively.
Okay, okay. So suppose you are working with Python and
And
there is indentation issue.
and it's
So
so like
if
it's like a source code is converted to bytecode, we can say.
okay, okay,
Like
okay, okay,
uh
okay,
like which is can like executed by in virtual machine, we can say.
okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me one more thing? Have you worked on
Yeah.
string
Yeah.
part? String part?
Yes.
So can you tell me string is
Yes, yes,
mutable or
yes, yes.
immutable? So
A
it
string
is
is
immutable or
immutable.
mutable?
Immutable.
Immutable. Why?
Immutable. We can't change, can't modify.
So is there any reason behind that?
Uh yeah. So because whenever like declare any string, right? So like that time we can't like because of like concurrent like it like internal like a final something like because if the like a contents are changed, want to change, so that will like a create like error, we can, because we face the error, because like we are like, if it like is same object reference again and again,
Okay,
so
okay,
like a value so will like a different, so like it's like a given like inconsistent result we have to give a string.
okay, okay, okay. What
Yeah,
is anonymous function?
yeah, we can't change, can't modify. Mhm.
Anonymous function.
Yeah,
Anonymous function. Anonymous function. You
yeah.
know about it?
So yeah, yeah, yes, 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 yeah.
What
It's a,
is
like a
this?
block of code basically.
Okay.
Like that has not no name. It has no name. The block of code. It just have
Can you
like
write a
it is used
can
to
you share can
uh,
you share a screen and
it
write
have
the
like a lambda keyword.
can you share a screen and write the anonymous
Sorry.
function? Can you
Uh,
share a
sure,
screen and write the anonymous
sure,
function?
sure, 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 Abhishek,
Okay,
sure.
okay, okay.
Have you seen my screen?
Yes, I am able to see your screen.
Okay. anonymous function, right? So this is like a short example, like multiplier, again multiply. Otherwise, this is like one example as well.
What is lambda?
Multiplications.
What is lambda?
Yeah, lambda is like an anonymous functions that can take arguments, any number of arguments that can take, basically. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. So
So it doesn't
I
have like a
want to
depth
know,
keyword. Mhm,
suppose
mhm.
uh, I have a list and list contain a
Yeah.
ID. There is a
Okay.
duplicate ID also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So can you write a program to
Uh,
remove separate out the unique record and duplicate unique ID and duplicate ID?
Separate one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. I will take an example like that. Uh, can you tell me the like what output like preferred you want?
In
Mm.
in one table, sorry, one list I want
So
to
here,
unique
uh,
record, and the second table I want to uh, uh, those record which is a duplicate in first whatever list you have in some first alone.
sure. Okay, understood. Duplicate. Right now, I have checked my example. Like 1 2 is like a duplicate. So in L2 we have to want like that type of output, and in second thing we want to like a output that have doesn't unique, right? Three, four,
Yeah.
five, six, seven. Yeah,
No,
right.
no, no. One,
Is this
one
right?
one more thing. One more thing I want to add here. So you keep add as one, two also here. But if it is
Uh,
come more than one time in first list, so it will separate out in different list. You
L L2 na in
understanding what
L2.
I am want to deliver you, what I am
No, no, no,
asking
no,
you.
no. Delivered. Just in what?
So suppose you have created to list L2 and L3. So in L3, I want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all. And whatever
Okay.
duplicate second time it came in for list, it will separate out in a
Mhm.
different list.
Okay. Sure.
That is like 1, 2.
Yeah, okay.
You have right now you have written the output L2 and L3 is correct format. So you have to write the syntax for this one.
Give me a minute. Let me think. Yeah, this will work.
Okay, it will work correct. So can you explain
Yeah.
this code?
Yeah. Okay. Uh, so here, basically, I'm declaring the like a two list, L2 and L3 here,
Okay.
and then like for like every element in L1, uh, like I'm checking like whether it is like it is present in L3 or not. Okay. And so if it is so if it is like there in L3, so it will like then it will like a duplicate value, right? And so we are like so I will like appending into L2. Otherwise,
Okay.
it will like append into L3. That's it. Simple.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, give me 1 minute. So can you write a program, Python program, to interchange first and last element in a list?
First and last element.
Interchange the first and last element in a list.
Give me a minute. Interchange want to know. Okay.
Have you understand my question?
Yeah, yes. Interchange want, right? Okay. So yeah, so it's like a swapping logic. Basically, here we are used here. I'm using like a temp variable here, and assigning like the value here, like a first value I assigning here, and here like assigning here the like last value to the first position assigning,
Okay, okay,
and then
okay.
changing
Yeah, yeah.
changing the last value
Okay,
here. Yeah.
okay. So
Yeah.
can you tell me what is the difference between where and group by and SQL?
Yeah. Where is like used for like directly filtering the records at row level in where.
Okay,
Whereas group by it have like it aggregates the rows and it given like a aggregate values in the summary form, and we can use
okay,
like a having filter though as well.
okay,
So
okay. Can you write a query
so
to
yeah,
get third highest salary?
what I said. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can you tell me the column names?
You can mention, you can enter any column like
Okay,
ID,
okay.
employee ID, name, and salary
Okay.
department.
Sure. So per department you want salary or
I
directly
want to employ by as third highest salary.
employ by 30? I said. No, I'm asking. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Uh, you can. like we are using here window functions, design
Okay.
window functions, uh, and order by salary. We have to DSC, descending order, and get third highest salary, and filtering value equal to 3 by using.
Okay.
There's another function subquery through, as well as we can use like a limit through. We can find out the salary as well.
Okay. 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 So can you tell me one more time, pasting a table?
Sorry.
I'm pasting one question in chat box.
Uh-huh.
Please copy and paste a notebook.
Okay.
I have pasted one question in chat. So you
Sure.
can copy and paste on notepad.
1 minute, 1 minute. I just copied.
Open a Zoom and copy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here a student table name student, and table name subject, and
Mm.
table name marks. So output I want to in such format which is given in below line. In a student get any of the subject. Suppose there is a Hindi, English, computer science. There are the four subjects. So any of the subject who got a mark, so it will show the highest mark only output.
Can you please help me the question again? I didn't get properly.
I want to
Can you
output
please
like
come
in
again?
this format. Out loud. I want to output like this format. The student will get. We will want to fetch only those student records. Any of the subject who got a maximum number.
Got?
Suppose
Sorry.
there is a one name Subham. Subham
Got to
is a
maximum number, right? In any
Subham
subject.
is got maximum number in Hindi. So I want to it print the maximum number of Subham Hindi. If suppose there is a student Sachin has
Okay.
got maximum number in math. So it
Uh,
will show the math record. Ist- So in this
oh,
such way, whatever student name on there, so those only those
okay.
highest mark it will show. Whose subject
Sure.
contain highest mark. So
Okay. So per subject we need, right?
yeah.
Done. So basically, we have again using here window functions, but we are like a partition in subject ID here,
Okay.
and then filtering like where value is equals to one,
Okay.
and
So there is
like
one
for getting
question
like student.
I want to, yeah, one question I'm going to again paste here. One minute. So can you copy and paste on there?
Hmm. Yeah, okay.
So have you understand my question?
Uh,
I want to employee name, employee ID. Sorry,
like grade,
first you have to copy employee name, employee manager name, employee grade, manager grade, employee address, manager address.
right, right. MID here, what is manager ID?
Yeah, MID is manager ID.
Okay. And what is grade here? Employee grade. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute. I think my light is gone. Just a minute. Abhishek,
Okay.
hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, just a
yeah.
minute.
Yeah.
I just need to connect with my mobile through.
Okay.
Uh, okay, get just a minute. Yeah, now can you see my?
No, not it. Can you restate it again? Yeah, write it now.
What's the problem?
Share it now.
Okay, yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. I'm sharing.
Okay, you can write, you can paste it in here in chat box. No issue.
No. Just share. Just a minute.
Because there
Are you
is
able
a
to see now?
only time. Yeah, there is a
Yeah,
time
Abhishek.
limit.
I
Yeah, I
think
am able to
lag
see
in my
this.
network, maybe.
Yeah, yeah,
Now, have you seen?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Writing button on this. Yeah, done. So
Okay,
we have
it
like a
will be
choice
the,
on like ID and employee ID here.
okay. Okay. So I'm going to ask a question. Have you worked on Airflow?
Yeah, employee manager and employee ID.
No, no, I want to ask you, have you worked on
Actually,
Airflow?
basic I know. Theory I have knowledge. No, no, no. I have like theory
So,
knowledge, but not like a hands-on experience on Airflow. In project we did not. We
okay,
did
you
not do
don't
this.
have a hands-on
Cron
experience.
tap.
Sorry.
Airflow I have not hands-on, but theory knowledge I have.
Okay, so
It is like a
how, if
scheduler. We
suppose,
have to orchestrate
uh,
schedule the
okay,
jobs.
okay, okay, can you tell me the, if I want to trigger another DAG using first DAG, once my first DAG is complete, then I want to trigger another DAG. So what should I do?
Okay.
What
So
operation
basically,
I will perform?
sequence you're asking now. Sequence you're asking. You need
No,
to
no,
add
no, I'm
like
not asking sequence. Suppose I have my DAG is running A. So it is going to complete. So it will trigger another DAG also, like B. Once it will complete, because it is dependent on the B. So once A complete, then it will trigger another B.
right.
So
Correct.
how can we do the things for that?
Yeah. Uh, then that is called dependencies basically. So like
Can you write a
after
code?
completion
You
of
know the
one
code?
task,
You know the code?
code uh, for a dependencies code. Exactly, I don't remember exact code. I need to check. But like this comes under dependencies.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So dependency is different thing, and
Uh-huh.
this is different thing. So no issue.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask question Spark. So
Okay. Yeah.
have you worked on Hadoop? Hadoop.
Yes. 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 Hadoop,
So
Hive,
what is the
Scoop. Yeah.
what is the difference between Spark and Hadoop?
Yeah, Spark, it's Hadoop, it's like a Hadoop framework. It's like multiple components we have used in Hadoop, like MapReduce and HDFS. And Hadoop is like a more like a framework. Whereas like a Spark, it's like a processing engine. It uses like in memory computations. It doesn't have any
Okay.
like a permanent storage for this stored data. It's just read the data, bring it to the memory, and processing it,
Okay.
and insert into target as per our applications, right? So whereas like a MapReduce, which is like a which is like a part of Hadoop, that is like a processing engine for the Hadoop basically, and HDFS is
Okay.
like a storage component in the Hadoop. So in memory, and we have to do batch processing on the Hadoop, and with the help of Spark, we can do like a streaming, interactive query,
Can we do real time processing in Hadoop?
real-time processing in Hadoop directly using we cannot do either Spark or like other things we can do like Kafka. That we then we can do it, and HBase as well.
Okay.
HBase,
Okay.
Kafka, that
So,
things we can.
okay, no issue. So
Uh-huh.
can you tell me what is the minimum block of the Hadoop?
Yeah, minimum
Minimum
block
size
of
of
the
block?
Hadoop, it's 120 MB by default. By
28
default,
MB. Okay.
but yeah, yeah, but we can reduce it
Suppose,
like a we can configure it. Yeah,
okay,
as per our requirement.
suppose I'm working with one of the job that is
Mm-hmm.
RDD. So
Mm-hmm.
basically what is the RDD? First tell
Yeah,
me.
IDT basically it's like a data set, like immutable collection of data set that is loaded into memory, resilient distribution data set. It's
Okay.
like immutable, fault tolerant. It have like any for if any like a data loss, then it can recover it. It has a property
Okay.
redundancy by using that it can recover it. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the main properties of the Spark RDD?
Spark RDT main property resilient and distributed and lazy evaluations.
What is the resilient?
Lazy evaluations, resilient, sorry,
Resilient. What is resilient?
resilient, yeah, resilient. It's like a basically, if anywhere like they're like a variable, right? Failure, any job, any step,
Okay.
or like any task or any data set.
Okay.
So it is lost. So it can reconstruct by using RDD lineage graph.
What is a lineage graph?
A lineage graph, it's like a step by step sequence, like parent added dependencies on it, like a data set operations we have in that, like a sequence of how the like data set created, how did it represent the RDD dependencies, task, how it is like read transform, which after which operations, like which operations after that haven't like after which transformations and all. So it have like memory that the sequence have provided in that case.
Okay. What is DAG in Spark?
Yeah, DAG it's like a direct acyclic graph, and that will like represent the like data set and operations that we perform on the data. That it's like a basic like a adjacent. It's a combination of adjacent. Mm, yeah, like vertices, adjacent vertices.
Okay. Okay. So what is the work of DAG? Why it was generating, and why we are what is the importance of DAG?
Yeah. So because it's like if like a Spark application, it will have like a multiple computations, right? Like a particular sequence, right? Like do this after that. It will like read the data set. So multiple data sets, like multiple operations on top of it. So in order to optimize like a better way, so best way. So like, and also like create a logic, like a physical and logical plan, and then after the cost based optimize, like which has the like best plan to achieve optimizations better way. So that's why we have to use a tag here.
Okay. So can you write a syntax for reading a file from the any specific
Hmm. CSV any file. Okay, sure,
yeah.
sure.
Okay. So once you have run this, so how many jobs are created?
Yeah. So one job here created.
One job created.
Hmm.
So you know what is the infer schema?
Yeah, info schema true. We can give as well. Yeah.
So what is the use of
So,
infer schema?
like it has like a scan the file, read the metadata of the like header of that metadata of the our data sets. What are the columns name and specify there? Automatically take like string and whatever like a int column name. It
Okay.
can automatically take.
So can you write this infer schema also here?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah. So suppose you have created infer schema.
Mhm,
Okay.
mhm.
Suppose you have so now how many jobs are created now?
Um, for this, no? Let me think of.
Yeah. After applying the infer schema, how many jobs are created?
Uh, infer
Okay, no issue.
schema.
What is difference?
Uh,
What is the broadcast variable and accumulator?
yeah, broadcast variable, it has like a to save the copy of data. It's like a global variable. Like in broadcast variable, it like a save to, so like to read only, like to save the copy of data across all over the node. In the broadcast variable, to each and every copy you have to save in each and every node. And in accumulator to like in order to aggregate the information to associative and commutative, we use like accumulator here, like count type of aggregations on the data set, and data we have to use like accumulator.
Where the file accumulator file will kept node or executor?
uh, each and every nodes, it means
Okay,
executors we
okay,
have to, yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. It should kept on the driver only, not in executor and on this. No issue. And can you tell me
No, no.
what is a Spark
Accumulations,
when you use
accumulations happen on the driver side.
what is a when you are going to submit a Spark job? So where is what will happen in backend?
Okay. Uh, Whenever you basically like a driver program, it's like first executed there, and then that like create like a Spark context. After that, it create like connect to like a cluster manager for allocation of resources, whatever, and that is like a memory and worker nodes, and then launch it, and then backend like DAG is created that will be represent the like data sets and the operations on top of it, and is submitted to the like DAG scheduler, based on the like internally uh, like a plan and physical and logical plan it will be created, and the competition it will actual competition will perform start the performs, and at the like
Okay,
a
what
control
is
like driver end.
okay?
Yeah.
What is OOM?
Oh yeah, like out of memory issue. We have to
Yeah,
test in
what is
driver
the
side
issue?
as
Why
well as
it
in
is
executor
stepping?
side.
I think there is a less
Okay.
time. There's a 1 minute time is left. So I think
Yeah.
I have done from my sides. So our HR will let you know. Okay, all the things.
Sure. Sure, Abhishek. Sure,
Okay,
sure. Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
Happy,
Thank
great
you.
weekend.